Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to export WAV files from GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can get started opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can export WAV files from our music. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our recording. So you can open up any of the instruments you have right here. I'm just going to open up audio recorder. It all works the same. And in this new recording menu that we have now, we can get started with opening up a song. So go right here into the upper left corner, click on editing menu where we can find all the tracks that we have. So as you can see, here are our tracks that we have. And now we can get started with seeing how they look. If we are satisfied, we can get started with exporting it. So what you want to do is click this arrow pointing downwards in the upper left corner and click on My Songs. After clicking on My Songs, guys, you can see this is now going to save your song as a project. And what we can do is go ahead and find the song we want to export. So go ahead and hold on it. After holding on your project, you'll see this new menu appear, and one of the options is called Share. So click on Share. And guys, after clicking share, now we have the option to export it as a song. So as you can see, we can click the song option, and now we can select what kind of quality we want for our music, and then you can click share in the upper right corner to get your desired track and save it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.